What if I told you that using products just like this, you can create photos that look like these on your kitchen tabletop? In today's video, we are gonna unbox all of these items for this tabletop pink photo studio that I'm setting up and a few props, and then we'll take a couple test shots and we'll see what we can create. The star of today is definitely this you cheesy photo studio backdrop, but don't worry because he brought plenty of friends with him. I did a review on this little box cutter earlier this week, guys. This thing, I'm in love. They're cute. Oh, that's pretty. That looks like leather. Ooh. Okay, pink. And then this color. Or to put this on the side. So I'll just set that up right. See that right there? I guess you slide both of these into position first. Okay, this makes much more sense. Probably just slide these. There we go. This. You use these and you clip like that. Now we're cooking with gas. There you go. That's the basic setup. Have this off to the side like this. And I'm gonna show you from a different angle when we're doing the test shots, the fun stuff. This is one of the things I'm so excited about. It's a set of 7 little, they're made of acrylic. It's so much easier if they would just put like a little pull tab. You see guys, full mirror. Say hello to my filming camera. All right, so see the difference? Super light, and what I like about them is, again, for mobile purposes, you can drop this and it's acrylic, so it's not gonna shatter. And there are 7 of them. They range from sizes 3 inches to 8 inches. Guys, look at all the cool product shots you could do with this. This is such a cute little kit. There's like a set of 8 of them, and they're high quality polymer foam, which is good because that makes them waterproof, so you can wash these. Like if you get them dirty while you're doing your product shot. Oh, look, they're nice. Get all of this open and I'll be back. Okay, there goes 2 minutes of my life I'll never get back. I pulled all the little things off. What a great little set. So many different, yeah, I love it. Okay, and these are all the foam block cube, this little guy. And guys, everything will be linked down below. This is not a product review so much as it is just me showing you the stuff that I bought to set up my pink photo studio. But if you've been around this channel for longer than 13 seconds, you know I do hours and hours of product research before I buy anything. Start with this because, because I'm just dying to get into it because it is just too cute. And it's called Dome Star Pink Ice Rocks or something like that. Again, everything's linked down below, guys. These are, yeah, this is what unicorn dreams are made of. Look at this. Oh my, oh my God. That is so beautiful. Okay, all right, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm in a pink era right now and I'm loving it. It's called like Sir Wallen Pompous Crap. Oh my, okay, guys, I'm like just drooling over thinking of all the product shots that I can create. Oh my, okay. So beautiful, look at this. Just faux sprinkles, which I love. I think this is so cute. Oh, these are so cute. I get them in a couple other colors, but I want to make sure that they photograph properly, but to like sprinkle around different things. And this is going to be our model today. All right, and guys, this has to be my absolute favorite. Maybe, no, I don't know, maybe. These two should be in a death match because it's, yeah. These little faux donuts for product shots, I mean, okay, these are the most, oh my God, okay. I was so hesitant to order these. Like I did hours and hours of research about faux donuts, guys. Yes, that's that. Oh my God. I need a minute. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God. They are the size of, oh my God. If you put these in like a little, you know, the little display case with the glass top, forget it. You would never know. Oh. I know I'm being such a girl right now, but holy crap. Oh my God, they're so cute. That's putting a smile on my heart right now. My heart's down there like, I don't know what's going on, but keep it going. Look at this. Okay, so far without seeing it all set up, which is your favorite item? Like just for the props. But let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, now we're gonna set it up and we're gonna take some test shots. Like on a chest of drawers in my bedroom. This one, I love it because it has different color lights. Okay. It's in my bedroom with just daylight, so of course the lighting is like hot garbage. But if you add a light, oh, that's cool. You can see how that added even more dimension. Rocks. Oh, so pretty. And you know we have to have some donuts in here. We'll just use the donut. Okay guys, that's with no editing. I'm gonna put the screenshot. It looks so cute. I wish I had better lighting in here. The lighting in here is garbage. I am not a professional photographer. Straight out of the gate, those are pretty impressive. So I'm very, very happy with all of this. If you want to keep hanging out with me, you can always click the link on your screen, which is for the cutest pink box cutter ever, or subscribe to join the Starlet Squad so that you get notified when I post my video next week. And I'm going to be updating all my jewelry with the hottest pink and gold jewelry for fall. Everything is linked down below and in the first pinned comment. There are discount codes of between 10 and 15% depending on what you're looking at. So you just have to go click it. Stay starry out there, babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all like warm cookies. Bye.